Today, I'm at the Maintenance Repair and Overhaul, or MRO, facility in Derby, England. This is just one of the locations in our global network where our engines come to be serviced. Here, they are disassembled, inspected, cleaned, repaired, and upgraded with the latest modifications before being fully tested to ensure that they are flight ready. Here at Rolls-Royce, we're investing in a more resilient future as we work towards increasing our global MRO capacity and capability by 2030. Our investment takes two forms, one in facility development and expansion, the second in driving ever greater efficiency through cutting-edge inspection and repair technologies. These maximize engine life, reduce costs, and expedite engines through the shop. From Atlanta to Beijing, our teams are relentlessly focused on execution and improving work practices across our global MRO network. We're getting more engines back on wing faster. So what does this mean for our customers? Simply put, greater aircraft availability, increased revenue generation, and more aeroplanes back where they belong, in the sky.